Hey everybody, this is Thomas Shuplek, and this is my tutorial that I chose. I coach water polo and I teach aquatics to young student athletes. So I thought that a popular video that I like to show my newer students would be great for this assignment. So here we go. This, for context, this is Olympian Wolf Weigo.
Hi, I'm Wolf Ligo, and today we're going to go over some fundamental body position for shooting and passing. One of the main things I want to do is I want to keep this lead shoulder out of the water. Okay, so if I'm shooting the ball, last thing I want to have happen is I'm leaning forward and this shoulder's in the water. So I need a strong base of stability, hard sculling, okay, keeping this lead shoulder out of the water. Okay, so it's going to look like this, okay, not like this, or low in the water.
I like to show videos like this, usually after I give an introduction lesson, especially to students who are new to the game.
So your lead shoulder needs to be out of the water. For that to happen, you got to be sculling hard, but also driving your legs. Anytime that you have the ball, you have to be driving your legs 110%. Okay, you can rest once you've passed the ball off to someone else. Next thing is your leg position. Okay, you have my left leg under me as a pillar of support. That's what's going to allow me to rise up out of the water. Okay, and my right leg behind me is going to be back. So I'm going to have my right leg back, my left arm out, and my left leg under me like a pillar of support.
What Wolf just said is one of the more difficult concepts to learn when you're learning how to play the game of water polo. Leg positioning is one of the most fundamental things that you learn, and it's incredibly difficult to learn. So, again, I like to show videos like this.
Okay, my right leg back is going to give me a lot of power and movement forward towards the goal. Okay, so if I've got my legs both straight under me, it's going to be really hard for me to get my power using my whole body. Then I'm just going to be relying on my arm.
So there's about another 2 minutes, but this sums up my assignment. Thank you.